Son, we need to talk.
Not now, Dad. I got a whole day of goofing off to get started.
Astrid.
Oh! Love on the battlefield.
Drag me back. Go ahead. Here we go. Ow! Very serious.
Trust me, relationships are nothing but pain and misery. What did I just say? Get out!
Doing with my shoulders. Yeah, okay, that's.
Figuring it out still, but I think I'm doing it.
It's more like a bright.
A light fury.
Yeah, yours is better, probably.
Afternoon, milady.
Marian, help me! You're the only one with 80 cents.
You think you and I should?
Gods, no.
No, that's crazy.
I mean, he's right about.
Don't worry, little Hickey. I'm here. Wait, Hickey?
You're gonna wear out the spring coil. The calibration is very sensitive. It's your lucky day.
Bruh.
Two of the finest dragon riders west of.
See? I told you it was in here. That's for scaring me. Oh my gods! Hiccup! That's amazing! That's for everything else.
This way? Because I could get used to it. Back.
Hiccup, don't!
I have to.
This way! To the chief and chief gas!
Come here, you.
Ooh.